tell everybody that this connection with Kalpana is an ongoing, we have put up an ongoing system during the year for several years, and we're always talking, always doing together. She is doing I cannot put it in the exact words, but I think that the way that things are being done in the math lab and in mathematics in the school is in very, very, I have to praise very much her work together with the work of the teachers. But having one person that is so dedicated and so on top and so professional already with the math program in the school is something that gives me a lot of confidence in what you're doing. And I want to thank Kalpana for this.
Functioning. The other two groups are quite high functioning. So, the topics for math were only sorting, classifying, matching of shapes, just very simple things. So I said if I have to move these children to work world skills, they needed to be introduced to counting. So I did value counting, and Hitesh and Daresh, Shriya, those are the ones who learn. So when it was Hitesh's birthday, he was giving everybody just one chocolate. So I said, no, you have to give two, and I left him, but still he didn't get it. So I did it in the same way how, we had taught him. So one, and then two. So he kept giving everybody that way. So, he had learned that one and one gives you two. So that was an achievement for me.
In our class, a lot of sorting, sequencing activities were done, and I was very surprised when the same concept of sorting was the same concept of sorting was done so well by the students as an activity which was never introduced to them earlier. The concept was the same of sorting, but the activity was different, and they could transfer the learning in that thing, which surprised us a lot. They were very happy with their trip to Mathiran, and for the practical exam she used pictures of Mathiran to be sorted out from the other pictures. And one tricky question that we had put over there is that we had put a picture of Lonavala also, which we went last year. Yeah. And surprisingly, the students could sort out only the pictures from Mathiran, and that really showed transfer of learning because they could understand the math language of sorting. So that was one thing which I noticed. And even sequencing, when I did the visual schedule over there, they were sequencing the activities in the entire day. And when they came back, they were supposed to relate it to their parents, and I found 2 or 3 parents had given us a feedback in writing, and it was very surprising that some of the children could relate to them in a sequence exactly what had happened on the first day and on the second day, and so this also showed the transfer of learning happening. Thirdly is that I've noticed that constancy was maintained, because when we introduced 3-digit numbers to the children, we were doing it either in the maths lab or we were doing it in class. And when we saw the transfer of learning and constancy when we went shopping, and there they could read the price tags with 3-digit numbers, and in the practical math exam we made them read some 3-digit numbers which were on a newspaper or something, and they could literally read it like 125. So the math lab has been a great help to the children to transfer their learning, and not only bookish knowledge, they only do it in their books or their worksheets, but they could transfer what is learned in class to anywhere else.
Thank you.
Would you like to say?
If anybody would come to like and share.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Just listening to her, I think that all of us have phobias. Most of us who are not so adept at mathematics begin with a phobia in maths, and as a result had not been able to influence our children well before the math lab came. I realized from Tamal's first class that she had that talk math. Now I've got someone like Uma who won't for the sake of stubbornness, even add 2 and 5. And we've got everybody talking math now. We've got everybody adding and taking up challenges and multiplying and dividing because the enthusiasm of the class has gone up so much. I don't have them coming and asking me, may I go up, for which they get punished because they're so enthusiastic to go to the math class. They're just gone. Suddenly the students haven't come, they're in the math class. So you can imagine the degree of enthusiasm. And that's the first thing. I was very surprised because this year I took their practical examination. For some reason Kalpana was busy and we had too much to do. And I could not believe that my own children could read the weighing scale because they all did well. As you see, the results were fantastic. All of them could do it. They could not register anything in the last term. So it was like really a wonderful jump with whatever methods now, and I'm really looking forward to accompanying them from this term.
And have a nice vacation now.
Thank you.
You have vacations from today?
What is the schedule? Don't you know? Come on, think hard. And the child doesn't get the time to think. So giving time to think, noticing and observing how you did in your